Are you ready for the next big thing in the SUV world? Hyundai is gearing up for a major refresh of the Palisade, and we've got an exclusive first look at the heavily disguised prototype straight from South Korea. Alright, let's jump into what's new with the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. Spotted recently in South Korea, this prototype reveals some intriguing updates despite being heavily camouflaged. The new Palisade is set to adopt a more angular and edgier design, similar to the latest generation Santa Fe. Gone are the curves of the current model, replaced with sharp lines and bold edges. Starting with the front, the Palisade boasts a thoroughly revised grille and brand new split headlights featuring an E-shaped signature. These changes give it a distinctive and modern look that stands out on the road. From the side, the updates are even more apparent. The SUV now has angular creases above the wheel arches and a sharper, more aggressive design for the side windows. Hyundai has also reimagined the thick C-pillar and added a sleek new brake light running above the rear window. But it's not just about looks. Reports suggest that the new Palisade will grow in size, providing more space for second and third row passengers. To give you some perspective, the current model measures 4,995 meters long, 1975 meters wide, and 1750 meters tall with a 2,900 millimeters wheelbase. Expect these dimensions to increase slightly to enhance interior comfort. Speaking of the interior, it looks like Hyundai is going all out with a complete overhaul. The new Palisade is expected to feature a single widescreen that combines the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system. The center console will get a makeover too, with new USB-C outlets. You'll also notice a minimalist redesign of the door panels, featuring circular door handles reminiscent of the Genesis GV60 and metal speaker grills. The simple armrests will remind you of the Hyundai Ioniq 5, blending style with functionality. Under the hood, the Palisade is set to receive a significant upgrade. The current naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 will be replaced by a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6. There's also talk of a hybrid version with a 2.5-liter engine, catering to the growing demand for eco-friendly options. While the Palisade has been a strong performer in the US, ranking as Hyundai's second best-selling SUV after the Tucson, it didn't fare as well in Australia last year, where it was outpaced by the Tucson, Kona, and Santa Fe. As for pricing, Hyundai hasn't revealed specifics for the next-generation Palisade yet. However, we can expect it to be in the same ballpark as the current model, which starts at $36,400. Keep in mind that opting for the hybrid engine, much like with the Santa Fe, will likely add a significant cost. That's all the exciting updates we have on the upcoming 2026 Hyundai Palisade. What do you think of the new design and features? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay tuned for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.